Hi students, welcome to 8th standard maths class, chapter 4, understanding quadrilaterals. Let's start chapter 4, understanding quadrilaterals. Introduction, polygons. A simple closed curve made up of only line segments is called a polygon. Next one, curves that are polygon. So these are the curves that are polygon. Next, curves that are not polygon. So these are the examples of not polygons because it doesn't have a definite shape. Okay. So next we have to study classification of polygons, number of sides of vertices, classification, sample figure. So triangle, so it is a triangle, it has 3 sides. Quadrilateral, it has 4 sides. Pentagon, it has 5 sides. Hexagon, it has 6 sides. Heptagon, it has 7 sides. Octagon, it has 8 sides. Nonagon, it has 9 sides. Decagon, it has 10 sides. Okay. So next, diagonals. A diagonal is a line segment connecting two non-conjugative vertices of a polygon. So this is one rectangle here. So these are the diagonals. This is PR and SQ. Okay. So in this given polygon, so diagonals are, this is AC, this is BE, this is AD, and this is BD. So these are the diagonals. Okay. So in triangle, so triangle it has no diagonals. Okay, because diagonals is a line segment connecting only two non-conjugative vertices. Okay, so these are not non-conjugative vertices. These are the non-conjugative vertices. Okay, next one. Convex and concave polygons. So these are some polygons, convex polygons here, because its interior angle is less than 180 degree. Okay, these are convex polygons. Interior angle must be less than 180 degree. Okay, so next one, concave polygons. So these are some polygons, concave polygons. Okay, so note point, in convex polygon all internal angles are less than 180 degree. Okay, but in concave polygons at least one angle is reflex. So one angle must be reflex here, means more than 180 degree. Okay, so this is concave polygons. Next one, regular and irregular polygons. Regular polygon, a regular polygon is both equiangular and equilateral. Example, a square has a side of equal length and angles of equal measure, hence it is a regular polygon. So this is a triangle. So in this triangle 3 sides are equal and 3 angles are also equal. So it is a regular polygon. So this is a square, all the 4 sides are equal and all the 4 angles are also equal. So it is also a regular polygon. Next, irregular polygon. Irregular polygon is equiangular but not equilateral. So this is one rectangle here. So in this rectangle all the angles are equals to 90 degree. Opposite sides are equal here. So this is irregular polygon here because of all the sides and all the angles are not equal here. So this is irregular polygon. So in this triangle, so here also this is 90 degree but all the angles are not equals to 90 degree and all the sides are not equal. So this is also regular polygon. So this is a irregular polygon. Okay, next, angle sum property. The sum of the measures of the 3 angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So this is one triangle here. The sum of interior angle equals to 180 degree. So next, this is one quadrilateral here. The sum of the measure of the 4 angles, angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. The total sum is 360 degree. Next, sum of the measures of the exterior angles of a polygon. The sum of the measures of the external angles of any polygon is 360 degree. So this is one polygon here. So these are the exterior angles here: angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4 and angle 5. These are the exterior angle. Okay. So the total sum of this exterior angle is 360 degree. Okay. According to the statement, the sum of the measures of exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degree. Okay. So next, example 1, find measure x. So in this given polygon, we have to find measure x here. Okay. Solution: the total sum is x plus 90 plus 50 plus 110 equals to 360 degree. Okay. Sum of any exterior angle of any polygon is 360 degree. Okay. So x plus total sum is 250 equals to 360. Subtract 360 minus 250, we get 110 degree. Next one, find the number of sides of regular polygon whose exterior angle has measure of 45 degree. Solution: total measure of all exterior angle 360 degree. Measure of each exterior angle equals to 45 degree is given. So if you find number of sides, so 360 divided by 45, we get 8. Therefore, polygon has 8 sides. Okay, so it has 8 sides. I hope you all understood today's chapter 4, understanding quadrilaterals with examples. In the next class, we will continue. Thank you.